to tackle doing the playroom. The girls are currently outside in the backyard, so I'm going to go ahead and do the playroom. As you guys got the whole view of the room, it is a hot mess. They have toys everywhere. They have bins. They have bins, but they haven't put any toys in the bins in like 2 weeks. But last night I spent time putting together this shelf here that has 9 cubes. I also put together this mini bookshelf here, and I will actually list where I got everything that I can remember in the description box. And I did put together that little basket over there, and I made some decoration stuff that I'm going to put on the wall today. So the first thing I'm going to do is tackle organizing. I have a test today for class, so I'm going to see if I have enough time to get the room done, but I think I'm gonna start with organizing first and get everything out and then do it. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing, before I die, the first thing I'm gonna do is gather all the toys in the middle and try to distinguish what is what and find the bins. So we have about 6 of these clear containers. Find them and put the right stuff inside of them. If the girls come in, then they'll help me, but I'm gonna try to do it on my own before they come back inside. Okay guys, so I'm going to be popping in and out with voiceovers and just kind of giving you guys the rundown of what's happening. So like I said, I'm going to organize really quickly and go through the toys and separate everything into the containers. This took a really long time because the girls have so much stuff. The toys are organized, I'm just putting all the trash in this trash bag, and I'm going to put the lids on the containers and get started with organizing the room, just getting stuff out of the way, putting the putting the containers in the cubbies. I realized that they were too wide, so I had to take the tops off and just slide them in. And like I said, I am going to change out these containers because they're clear and I really didn't like the mess.
to go and move everything out the way to kind of figure out how I was going to rearrange this room. This room it's not small, but it's not big, but it also has the windows. So we're trying to figure out how to rearrange it. So I had to move everything out the way and just bring stuff in and kind of put it to make it feel like where was I going to put this stuff at. And then I'm just going to, you know, put the rug down. Once I had the rug down and in the middle of the room, I kind of figured out how I was going to lay everything else out. So here you can see the before and after of the table chairs that I painted myself. I will leave down below the color of the paint that I did use for the chairs and just showing you some before and after.
Not loving this because you can see all the mess. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go and switch these out for white baskets. Yeah, I don't like these, which is fine because I can keep those and use them for something else, but it's just, it looks messy. So I'm gonna find some white baskets tomorrow and switch this out.
So I bought this bookshelf from Amazon, so we're just gonna fill it up with Zoe and Zara's books, just a little area for them to be able to read and grab some books really easily and also put them back. So I got this little cute chalkboard from, I believe Michael's, and I'm just going to write some little kitchen food things on there and place it above their kitchen in the playroom. So now comes the play sign that I made just using some foam board and some paint, and I just kind of cut out the letters making the letters really playfully, and I'm just going to tag them first to figure out where I want them to go, and then I'm going to use some sticky back tape to hold them onto the wall. And I was just trying to place them to figure out the center of each letter. I didn't really use a ruler, I just kind of eyeballed it and just kept moving it based on where I wanted it to go. So lastly, I'm just going to add some finished touches, get rid of some things that don't belong, and then I am done. And so here you guys are going to see the before and after. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love the before and after of this video, and if you have any questions of anything you see in the room, please check the description box. If not, leave a comment down below, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Okay guys, since you guys are already here, don't forget to click and view some of my latest videos, and don't forget to click and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.